Welcome to our COVID-19 daily report for today, December 21st, 2020. I am Claudette Dakers-Norales. The cutoff time for the data presented in this daily report is 1 p.m. It includes information reported within the last 24 hours. A total of 658 samples were tested. Out of this, 50 samples have resulted positive for COVID-19. There are 55 individuals newly under investigation. Today, we also report that 30 infected persons are hospitalized. Unfortunately, 2 of these individuals are being treated at the intensive care unit. Sadly, there are 4 new deaths to report. As we move forward with the expansion of testing using rapid tests and reports coming in from the private sector, you will notice an increase in the numbers of confirmed cases and the total tests done. Additionally, this report is cumulative since March 2020 when we had our first case. The new total of active cases now stands at 1,486. These are those persons who have been confirmed and are within the time frame to transmit the virus. To date, 54,865 samples have been tested nationally. Out of this, 10,145 samples have resulted positive for COVID-19. 72 individuals are under investigation. A total of 224 deaths have been reported, but we are pleased to report that there are 8,435 total recoveries. The heat map shows the districts most affected. The greatest number of cases are seen in Cayo, Belize, and Orange Walk. Cayo reported 25 new cases, with San Ignacio and San Martin each responsible for 4 of those cases. Belize District reported 12 cases, and Belize City is responsible for 11 of those cases. Orange Walk reported 6 new cases spread among 4 communities. Toledo reported 1 new case, and Stam Creek, no cases. The Ministry of Health and Wellness urges the public to wear a face mask properly in public, maintain consistent physical distancing, avoid social gatherings, and wash and sanitize hands often. Please be safe and stay at home unless conducting essential business. Let us join forces in the fight against COVID-19.
My name is Ms. Rose Anderson, District Health Educator at the Western Regional Hospital for the last 19 years. I work very closely with the surrounding communities in the Belmopan catchment area, as well as with the health staff at the hospital. We are each other's support and we stand together as a team. When I am out with the nurses on mobiles, I am doing education session at the outpatient clinic. I see firsthand the challenges our health staff has enforcing the public health guidelines. They have to constantly remind persons coming in to wear their masks properly, maintain physical distancing, and to wash and sanitize hands often. As we all know, we are facing a raging COVID-19 pandemic with rising infection rates. Unfortunately, the death numbers of our fellow Belizeans are rising. This is why we urge you, the Belizean population, to wear your mask properly. Ensure that it is covering your nose and chin. Maintain consistent physical distancing and avoid social gatherings and parties. We need everyone's help in fighting this pandemic. Let's join forces in the fight against COVID-19.